Welcome once again to SureCommand tutorial. This time it is related to the My Settings page or side link. Now, once you log into your SureCommand profile and you select the My Settings page, the My Settings page on default is always on edit mode. So you're not going to see an edit button here. It's always editable. Once you are on the My Settings page, you can change your password because you might receive a temporary password if you reset or forgot your password, and then you want to change it to something that you can remember. You'll also see your email address up in this field, but you could, for communications purposes, communications privacy, you can dictate, who you want seeing your profile. Do you want everybody on SureCommand, or just your employer, or just your manager, or only yourself? Now, when you do select only you, you will lose accessibility to communication, because if you don't want to be seen, then you can't see others, and then you don't exist on the communication. It's absolute privacy. So you could be seen on SureCommand, but you could also select who can see your connections. Now you can be seen by everybody, and then you could just not show anybody your connections. That's fine. Message notification. If you do hit no, you're going to get nothing, and that means even if your employer sends you something, you've selected no. So most people just keep it as yes. This is a professional network. It's not a social media network. So usually messages are urgent. Account settings. You can lock your account. Okay. You can also choose what view to see your calendar in. So the most popular is the list calendar, which shows everything as list, but you could also choose the traditional box calendar. Also in the settings page, or in the settings side link, right here, My Settings, you can go into the manual section and you could get access to all the manuals. There you go. Okay, so it has basic and industry. So there you have it, a lesson on the settings page. For more information, please visit SureCommand.com, and thank you for being a SureCommand user.